If your curls always fall flat, maybe it's not your curls, you just need a bit more hair. Without hair extensions, my curls just don't look full or bouncy enough. Same iron, same curls, just this side looks so much fuller and holds so much better. I'm going to show you guys how I install these extensions to make sure that they are invisible. Starting off, I just take my comb and I'm going to section it all the way across right at my ear. After I section off my hair, I'm just going to put the rest of it on top of my head and fasten it with a clip just to get it out of the way. Now that I have my hair parted, I am first going in with the 3-clip wefts and I am placing it right along that part and just clipping it into place just like this. Next thing is I take my hair back down out of that clip because I need to repart it. This time I'm parting my hair right in line where my eye is, and again sectioning the hair off and clipping it up. Next piece I'm going in is the 4 weft, and then again just placing that right on the line and snapping it in place, and then taking my hair back down again. And last little back section, I am again parting my hair at the very top and clipping it back up. And then I'm just finishing off the back section with the 3-piece weft right on top, and then just clipping that right in. For the side pieces, again, I'm making a part right above or right in line with my eyebrow, and then I'm going in with the 2 wefts and again just placing that right on the line. And then for the last one on this side, I'm just gonna go right above, clip in the last extension right on top, and then put all my hair back down. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and I'll be right back. I just finished curling my whole head and this is what the extensions look like. They are just so incredible and they seriously are so invisible in your hair. Invisible roots with no shiny band, you couldn't even tell. That's what I love about Endaring, is that they have no shiny band and that the hair comes all the way to the top, versus other brands have a super thick band so they just don't blend as nicely. Here is a view from the back. Even when I part my hair down the middle, you literally cannot tell where the hair extension starts. Check out Endaring hair extensions whether you're looking for longer hair, fuller hair, or just something that'll make your curls last a little bit longer and look a little bit fuller. They are incredible.